Suppose your name is MD Minhaj Islam. You are a student of class 6. You could not pay your tuition fees for 3 months on account of your father's absence from home. Your name has been struck off the rolls. Now, write an application to the head teacher for readmission. মনে করো তোমার নাম মিনহাজ ইসলাম। তুমি ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর একজন ছাত্র। তোমার বাবা বাড়ি না থাকার কারণে 3 মাসের বেতন দিতে পারোনি। তোমার নাম কাটা গেছে। এখন প্রধান শিক্ষকের নিকট পুনর্ভর্তির জন্য একটি আবেদনপত্র লেখো। আনস 2 জুন 2025। The head teacher, MH High School, Sylhet. Subject: Application for readmission. Sir, I have the honor to state that I am a student of class 6 of your school. I could not pay my tuition fees for 3 months, from March to May, in time, because my father was away from Bangladesh on official work. So, my name has been struck off the rolls for non-payment of dues. Now my father has come back home and I am in a condition to pay my dues. I would like to add that I paid my tuition fees regularly in all previous months. I, therefore, hope that you would kindly permit my readmission and oblige me thereby. I remain, Sir, yours most obediently, MD Minhaj Islam, roll number 10, class 6, MH High School, Sylhet.